This time I'm going to show you how to find your files with the search bar in Teams. The search bar pulls results from your OneDrive and all the teams that you're a member of. You can use the search bar from wherever you are in Teams. When you type in a keyword, it will list some top hits in the dropdown. These are the things that Teams thinks you might be looking for. Then when you press return, it will list out all the results. And you'll see them grouped as messages, people, and files. Those groups are also represented as a row of tabs across the top here too. If you see the file you're looking for, you can click on it and open it here. And if you choose the More Files link or the Files tab at the top, the results are filtered by files only. When you filter by files, you'll see some more filtering options. For example, by team. I want to filter my results by the marketing team, so I just drop this menu down, I type marketing and then search. Then I can choose marketing and I only see files that are actually in the marketing team. Then I can also filter by type. Now I'm looking for a slide deck, so I choose PowerPoint from this drop-down. I can also search for who last modified the file and the date. When I found my file, I can open it, and it always chooses the browser instead of any settings I might have made in the Files app. Here's a couple of pro tips for finding files with search. If you type /files into the search bar, you'll see a list of your most recent files. These are pulled from OneDrive and Teams. And you'll see the file name and the last modified date in the list. If you start typing the name of a file or any word from that name, it will filter the list by that word. And this is really good if you just want to quickly get back to a file you've been working on recently. When you open a file from these results, it opens in Teams. The next search tip is /find. This is useful when you want to find a file from a chat or a channel post, but you don't want to have to scroll through the whole of the chat history to find it. You can just type /find in the search bar, and then you can type the name of the channel or a chat. My channel is called Project X. And then you can type a keyword from the file name. That will return the post in the results on the left-hand side. And then choosing that will show me the file on the right-hand side.